Honorable Union Minister of Civil Aviation and Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region, all the distinguished guests present on the dais, ladies and gentlemen, my fellow awardees, I feel myself immensely privileged to receive the prestigious national award introduced by Sarhat to immortalize the great legacy left behind by music icon Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, whose 100 years birth centenary is under celebration this year in many places of India, including in the state of Arunachal Pradesh, where Dr. Bhupen Hazarika is believed to be born. So being a person born in Arunachal Pradesh, I feel much more honored and at the same time more humble to receive this award. I thank Sarhat for choosing me as worthy of this prestigious award. As Dr. Bhupen Hazarika's legacy is once again celebrated today through the award-giving ceremony instituted in his name, where many distinguished personalities from across the country has gathered, it reminded me how great Dr. Bhupen Hazarika was as a person. For me, he was the greatest person born in whole northeastern region of India after Mahapurush Srimanta Shankardeva, the greatest Vaishnavite saint and social reformer of medieval Assam. Like Mahapurush Shankardeva, the contribution of Dr. Bhupen Hazarika was immense in regard of the message of humanity across the caste and creed, and in uniting all into the fabric of one human race. A multifaceted personality and iconic role model, he was a musician par excellence, a lyrist of top order, a singer with unique voice, a filmmaker, an actor, a folklorist, an educationist, a journalist and editor, a columnist, a writer, a politician, and social activist, and above all, a born humanist. Dr. Bhupen Hazarika had a very special relationship with the land and people of Arunachal Pradesh. In fact, Sodhya, where he was born in 1926, is believed to be present-day Bolung Village near Assam-Arunachal border, located in Lower Dibang Valley district of Arunachal Pradesh. Sodhya was the British administrative headquarters of Sodhya Frontier Tract that comprised Abor and Mismi Hills of Northeast Frontier Tract, which was renamed as Northeast Frontier Agency or NEFA, and ultimately became present-day Arunachal Pradesh. Dr. Bhupen Hazarika was born in that Sodhya town of Abor Mismi Hills when his father was posted there as a school teacher, but left the place when his father was transferred to Tezpur, where he grew up and took his first music lesson from not less than people like Jyoti Prasad Agarwala, Vishnu Prasad Rafa, and Phani Sharma. A few instances of child Bhupen, which are now known to everyone, indicates towards his being born indeed in Arunachal Pradesh, and Dr. Bhupen Hazarika admitted several times that he was born in Nepal. Mor Janma Nepal, moi Abor Makor Kakir Khai Dangor Hoisu. I was born in Nepal and I was breastfed by Abor ladies. An old lady of Bolung Village also said to Dr. Bhupen Hazarika on his one of the visit, Oi Bhupen, toi lohitot jonmi sakori nedekha Bhagavan hoi goli. Etahe dekhilo de tor janma bahut din pasot. Dekhilo jetia manu hol de. Bhupen, you were born in Lohit and thereafter became invisible like God. After a long time from your birth, I have seen you as a grown-up man. Late Dai Iring, who was a deputy minister in the cabinet of that Indira Gandhi, also said to Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, I have given you a bundle of unseen keys. You keep coming up at here in Arunachal Pradesh. You have become our honorary advisor of culture. Come to Nepal whenever you wish. We have given our son to Assam on hire. This is the year Dr. Bhupen Hazarika's birth centenary, which is now celebrated with year-long program by the government of Assam along with other different organizations. Apart from Assam, the government of Arunachal Pradesh and different socio-cultural organizations of AP have started celebrating this birth centenary. Please. Okay, I'm coming to the last part. It is not Dr. Bhupen Hazarika alone, but Zubin Garg, another iconic music master of Assam, was very popular in Arunachal Pradesh, especially amongst the young generation whose tragic death had plunged the people of this hilly state into a grip of sorrow. People in Arunachal Pradesh are now holding candle marches seeking justice for the death of Zubin Garg and paying Shraddhanjali by conducting Zubin Garg nights at different locations of the state. Thousands of people from the state are now thronging at the Samadhi Sthal of Zubin Garg at Sonapur to pay their tribute to the departed soul of their heartthrob, whose golden voice remains murmuring in the very core of everyone's heart. I dedicate this Dr. Bhupen Hazarika National Award given to me in the name of late Zubin Garg as my tribute to the great music icon who carried forward the legacy of Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. Thank you very much.